Assalamu alaikum. A history sheeter, gangster, criminal, lawbreakers, robber, terrorist Vikas Dubey is a man accused of Kanpur encounter case in which a group of attackers allegedly opened fire on police team that was trying to arrest him in Kanpur city last Friday. 8 our brave policemen were martyred in the incident, including one DSP. My deepest condolences to their families. Friends, about 60 criminal cases are registered against Vikas Dubey. Vikas Dubey is one of the most dangerous criminals in Uttar Pradesh. In 2000, Vikas Dubey ruthlessly killed an assistant manager at Tarachand Inter College. Same year, Vikas Dubey killed his principal as well. In 2001, he killed a very well-known, famous UP minister, Santosh Shukla, inside a police station in front of 25 policemen. In 2002, he grabbed a huge tracts of land by illegal occupation and collected a massive amount of property through such means, as well as he killed a TV businessman, Dinesh Dubey, and 2008 he also killed his cousin. Likewise, 60 cases, murder cases, robbery cases, dacoity cases are registered against Vikas Dubey. Even though neither Vikas Dubey on the list of top 10 criminals nor his name exists in the most wanted criminal list. It shows how our judiciary system works. My friends, today all Indians are very shocked and surprised by this horrendous, horrifying, terrible, fearful, stressful, and painful incident by which our 8 brave policemen were murdered. And this incident as well raised lots of questions on the claim of BJP government for praising good law and order in the state. My friends, as per the Week magazine dated 6 December 2019, 5,178 encounters have been registered since 2017. And you all, my friends, will be very surprised to know the fact that most of the encounters belong to the innocent people or to the petty criminals or to those who were already on parole. But what about the real criminals? But what about the real history sheeter? What about the real gangster? Obviously, they are walking here and there freely because of dirty politics and because of manipulating our judiciary system. And especially, these criminals are getting support from the political parties as well as from the police department. My friends, you know that Vinay Tiwari, HSO at Chobepur Thana police station, he always tried to save. He always tried to save Vikas Dubey, and especially along with his fellows by providing all the personal information and leaking all the personal informations. All the informations and especially this incident shows uh, that a common man in India cannot feel safe, because if any gangster can kill any policeman, obviously they can kill anyone anywhere. Thank you so much.